Hi, Clutter Fairy fans. Gayle Goddard here, counting down the remaining few hours until the end of 2023. I'm looking forward to 2024 with excitement and enthusiasm for all the possibilities that a new year brings. Here at the Clutter Fairy, we're looking forward to another year of helping our viewers and listeners clear your clutter to make space for more of the life that you love. To get you started on the next leg of your journey, we'd like to offer 3 strategies to kick off the new year with a bang. First, celebrate a success. By spending a moment focusing on your organizing project you accomplished this past year, you can start the year strong in a positive frame of mind. What organizing challenge did you get across the finish line? Did you complete the clearing of an estate, the redo of a closet, or just get the surface of your desk in order? Remind yourself how far you've come and what you were successfully able to accomplish. Next, cultivate a new habit. January 1st is the perfect symbolic moment to launch a new habit for managing something in your life. Step out right on day 1 and begin something new that you want to turn into a new habit in the coming year. Do you want to hang your keys on the hook every time you get home? Maybe you want to clear the sink every night before bed, or to reset the family room. Start practicing your new habit today. Finally, plan a new project. Now is a good time to choose your highest priority project for the year. Would you like to reclaim the guest room? Are you ready to make space for your car in the garage? How about streamlining the pantry or the kitchen cabinets? Pick a focus for your organizing mojo this year and start planning the steps to get it done. As we look forward into the new year, I hope you'll ponder ways to be happier and healthier. Search for community to support you. Find things to do that enrich you. Look for ways to give back to others, and promise to make it a priority to love and protect yourself, just as you do for so many others around you. Ed and I wish that for you, and hope we can be a small part of your journey again in 2024. Happy New Year!